So the final construction that I had planned to go over with you today is the perpendicular to a line from a point that is off of the line. So we're going to suppose that we've been given a line that you can see here I've labeled as R, and we're going to suppose that we've been given a point off of the line. So the first thing that we're going to need to do is put the point of our compass on A, and we're going to need to swing an arc that goes through this line in two spots. So let's go ahead and get our compass tool out. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put that compass up on A. So you can see that that compass now is sitting on A, and I'm going to go ahead and draw an arc that goes through R at two spots. So let's make this wider here, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to swing up, and it's not wide enough, so let's make it wider still because we need it to go through. There we go. And that's going to happen, guys. You may have to play around with it to get it to go through that line. So now I've got an arc that goes through line R at two different spots. So I'm going to go ahead and mark them in red for you. We've got a spot here, and we have a spot here. So your next step is to move your compass again, and we're going to do some more arcs. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move my compass down so that it sits now on that first point of intersection. And I'm going to go ahead and make an arc, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to move it over so that it's sitting on the other point of intersection. And let me go ahead and put that up that way. We're going to go ahead and make another arc. So we can see that those 2 points are really, really close. That doesn't normally happen, but let's draw a little green point there. And then I'm going to use my straight edge and pull that over. And we're going to connect the blue and the green dot and draw it straight down to line R. So when I move this away, that's now perpendicular to line R. Those 2 points won't always be that close. And if they end up on top of each other, you may have to play around a little bit with the width of your compass. So those are the 4 constructions that I would like for you to try. And like I said, we will practice with that Tuesday when you walk in, but I want you to have practiced with it before you arrive on Tuesday. I will be posting an announcement as to the homework that is due for Tuesday, and feel free to email me with any questions.